Katie Cavuto, registered dietitian and chef from the Nourish, Breathe, Thrive blog. Today we're making one of my family's favorite Quickbreads. This raspberry and chocolate Quickbread is naturally gluten-free and dairy-free. It's perfect for breakfast, on-the-go snacks, and even an everyday sweet treat. Plus, it's really simple to make. First, we're gonna add 2 eggs to our bowl. To that, we're gonna add unsweetened vanilla almond milk and real maple syrup. We're gonna whisk that all together, along with our vanilla extract and some melted coconut oil. Next up are the flours. Look for a gluten-free flour blend using whole grain sorghum. Whole grain sorghum is an excellent source of fiber and a good source of protein. Plus, it has a mild, nutty flavor that's the perfect addition to any flour blend. To that, we're going to add some almond flour, baking powder, some unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of sea salt. We're gonna mix this all together, making sure to get any lumps out. When your batter is fully blended, we're gonna fold in some frozen raspberries and mini chocolate chips. Now into the oven. For this recipe and others featuring whole grain sorghum, visit simplysorghum.com.